So, you're a recent grad from outside the EU and you've got your eyes on Germany. Well, this one's for you. We are about to dive into the single best tool for professionals like yourself, the EU Blue Card. And trust me, this isn't just about landing a job. It's your ticket to building a real, long-term future in one of the strongest economies in Europe. All right, let's just cut right to the chase and talk about the big one, permanent residency. You've landed the job, you're ready to make the move, but how quickly can you actually call Germany your permanent home? I think you're going to be pretty surprised by the answer. And here it is. With an EU Blue Card, you could get permanent residency in just 27 months with just some basic German skills. But get this, if you level up your German to an intermediate B1 level, that time drops to an incredible 21 months. Yeah, that is less than 2 years to completely lock in your future in Germany. This is exactly the kind of fast track we're talking about. So, what is this golden ticket anyway? Let's unpack what the EU Blue Card actually is and find out why it's the absolute key to unlocking your professional career in Germany. Simply put, the EU Blue Card is a special residence permit. It's specifically designed for highly qualified folks from outside the EU. You know, people just like you, university graduates who have a solid job offer. It's pretty much Germany's way of saying, hey, we want your skills, and we're going to make it as easy as possible for you to come here and get started. Okay, so the big question, do you qualify? The requirements might sound a bit formal at first, but let's just break them down into a super simple checklist. If you can tick these boxes, you are well on your way. All right, first up, you've got to be a non-EU citizen. Easy enough. Second, you need a university degree that's recognized in Germany or is equivalent to one. Third, you need that firm job offer, and the contract has to be for at least 6 months. And here's a crucial detail. The job you're taking has to actually match what you studied. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's talk money. To get the Blue Card, your job offer has to hit a certain salary level. For most jobs, that magic number is 50,700 euros per year before taxes. That's kind of the benchmark Germany uses to define a highly qualified position. But, and this is a big but, there's a really important exception. If your job is in a field where Germany really needs people, think IT, engineering, medicine, that salary requirement drops, and it drops a lot to just under 46,000 euros. For a lot of new grads in tech and engineering, this is a huge, huge advantage. Okay, so you tick all the boxes. What happens next? You know, German paperwork can seem a little complicated, but don't worry, we've laid it all out for you. Think of this as your personal roadmap, taking you from the moment you sign that job contract to the day you have that Blue Card in your hands. When you really boil it down, it's just 4 main steps. First, you get that job contract signed. Second, you gather up all your important documents. Third, you apply for an entry visa from your home country. And then, once you arrive, you get your actual Blue Card from the local immigration office there in Germany.
And what about those documents? Well, it's the usual suspects, really. You'll need your passport, of course, your job contract, plus a formal declaration from your employer. Then you'll need your degree certificate, proof that you're signed up for German health insurance, and proof you have a place to live.
Now for some planning. Let's look at the costs and the timeline. That initial entry visa is about 75 euros, and it can take 6 weeks or even longer to process, so definitely apply for that as early as you can. Once you're in Germany, the Blue Card itself is about 100 euros, but the waiting time for that final appointment can really be different depending on which city you're in. So you've gone through the whole process. What's the big reward at the end? Let's circle back and look at exactly why the Blue Card is, without a doubt, your best and most strategic move for building a life in Germany. I mean, just looking at this side by side really says it all. The fast track to permanent residency is the #1 payoff, and learning German makes a massive difference. Getting to that B1 level literally shaves a whole 6 months off your journey to getting that permanent settlement permit. It's a no-brainer. And the perks just keep on coming. You also get a much easier, faster process for family reunification, so you can bring your loved ones over sooner. You get to travel all across the Schengen area without needing a visa. Plus, you're immediately contributing to the German social security system, which means you're building up your future pension. It even sets you on a path to long-term EU residency later on. Okay, before we finish up, let's go over a few pro tips. These are the little details that can make a huge difference and help you avoid some of the common slip-ups. So here are a few key things to remember. First, you don't actually need to speak German to apply for the Blue Card itself. You only need it for that super fast permanent residency track later on. Second, There's a cool exception for IT professionals with a lot of experience. You might be able to qualify even without a university degree. Third, if you happen to lose your job, you get a 3-month grace period to find a new one. And finally, just know that if you want to change jobs in the first couple of years, you might need to get it approved to make sure the new job still qualifies. And that's really the long and short of it. The EU Blue Card is this incredible door to a future in Germany, but it all hinges on getting that one job offer. So we've walked through the fast track to residency, all the amazing benefits, and the whole process. The only real question left is, what's your next move to make it all happen?